Good morning, gang. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Naisha B, and today we are going to be doing a DIY. I am going to be turning this shirt or spaghetti strap shirt, whatever you want to call it, into something new. So if you want to see how I revamp this shirt, then keep watching. Okay, so for this do-it-yourself, the only thing you're going to be needing is some scissors and a marker or the chalk. Now, if you're going to be using a marker, then you are going to have to start with your shirt inside out. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my shirt inside out, and then we'll get started. Okay, so once you have it laid flat on the surface, you are just going to take your marker and like a book or something, and you're going to figure out exactly where you want to cut it off at. Now I am going for a crop top look, so I am going to cut it off about here. Take your marker and you're going to draw a straight line. Just make sure that it's straight across the board. Now here's how it should look. Once you have your line drawn, you're going to take your scissors and you're just going to cut the line. Now this is how it should look. You can turn it inside out again. So then this is how it should look. You're going to set this to the side. Now with the rest of your shirt, you see how I still have a little black on there from the marker? You're simply just going to cut that off. It don't have to be perfect, just cut it off. You don't need it anymore. I just don't want it to be in my next cut that you will need for your shirt. Okay, so you don't need this part. I just cut it just to cut off that black marker. You can get rid of that. Now, what you will need with the rest of the shirt, cut about, I'll say about 2 inches off. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you want to make it as even as possible. Now the rest of this shirt you don't need at all. Now with this, you're just going to cut this little piece off. So just cut that piece off as such. And then what I like to do is I like to cut it triangle like this. Then just pull on the edges just to give it a little flavor, a little style. Now I'm about to put on a shirt and give y'all a full look as I put it all together. Okay, so now we got the shirt on. As you can see, to me, this is really cute, just like this. Plus, I love crop tops, but we're gonna put this string around it. So what you wanna do is bring it up. And then you just wanna make a cute little bow. And there you have it. You done turn your simple shirt into something that is so more summer ready. Okay, so this is the final look. As you can see, we have a cute little bow. It looks so much better like this. Gives it a little flavor, a little style, rather than a regular spaghetti strap shirt, crop top. Here it is in the back. Make sure my tag is in. So here's how it look in the back. As you can see, I am so summer ready. Hopefully you guys enjoy watching this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below with a red heart letting me know you made it to the end of this video. And do not forget to subscribe to your girl. Hit that red subscribe button and turn on the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a video. Hope you guys like. Bye guys.